An empty lantern provides no light. Self-care is the fuel that allows your light to shine brightly. Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama. Baby Norma is beside me, so if you hear her, that's what that is. But I am so excited. TheraBox sent me this for my honest review, and I cannot wait. So this is a monthly shipping service, and it is full of self-care items. I am obsessed with self-care here at Take Care Mama. And the cool thing about TheraBox is there's actual therapists that help curate these boxes. So I think it's some like traditional fun self-care stuff, like maybe bath salts and stuff like that, but also things like journals and things of that spectrum. So I'm really excited. This is $35 a month and it has up to $100 worth of stuff inside. So let's get started. It's our third birthday. Yes, so this is the anniversary box. Oh, I think this says everything that's in here, so I'm gonna not look at this yet. Ooh, we have a kale and vitamin B face mask. That is so cool. Vegan, cruelty-free, free of parabens and synthetic dyes and fragrances. What do you have there, Norma? Birthday cake lip scrub. I could use this. My lips are always chapped. So we've got that. Let's see. Lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter. So this is a vegan, cruelty-free lotion. Very fun. We've got some chapstick. Ooh, it's CBD chapstick. That is cool. Oh, this looks cool. This is bath salts, but it looks like there is, it says sandalwood and sage, and it looks like there might be some pink Himalayan salt in there as well. So that'll be really fun. I love me some bath salts. Another mask, calming chamomile mask. These would be great stocking stuffers too if you want to give one away. Okay, looks like just two more things. Ooh, I haven't tried this yet. It's a activated charcoal black toothpaste. That is really fun. Whitening vegan mint flavored. Oh, I lied. Ooh, this is so cool. A wellness tea sample box. I'm trying to get into tea lately. I am a big kombucha drinker and I'm trying to reduce my coffee intake with some tea in the afternoon. This is a really cool box. Comes with some cool brochures. Oh, so there's antioxidant, energy, sleep, and happy. And what a nice box. Beautiful box. I love that. Okay. This is my favorite. It says more self-love. Oh, it's not just a journal. Let's see. So this is the cover. So pretty. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. So you write down what you're in the month, what you're thinking, doing, goals, plan to do, reading. This is so cool. Your morning routine. There's a space to write out your morning routine with some ideas. This is amazing. An evening routine, same kind of thing. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is really cool. A mood tracker. I see a lot of people, bullet journal people, which I think is so cool, but I'm not creative enough, but they do stuff like that. So this is this is a mood tracker. And I think you color it with different things, whether you're happy, you're feeling okay, or not so good. Oh my gosh, so there's one for every month. A mood tracker, self-care bingo. There's some self-care like memory pictures to put in. Some ideas. Man, there's a lot in here. Yeah. A sleep tracker. Forgiveness. Oh, this is really, really cool. An empty lantern provides no light. Self-care is the fuel that allows your light to shine brightly. Monthly self-care tracker, what I did for my physical health, emotional health, spiritual health, inner child. So it looks like this is just a really cool self-love journal, book, ideas, tracker, just all the things in this really nice hardbound book. Yay! So that is so cool. Thank you so much to TheraBox for sending me this. Be sure to check them out below. I really, really recommend this. I would totally get this with my own money, buy it again. And yeah, I'm really excited. Mainly for this. I'm such a journal girl. Let's see my favorites. I also am really excited for the tea. I'm excited for everything. These are my favorites. And I'm excited to try this toothpaste, see what that's about. Love it. Thanks again for watching. Check out TheraBox. If you are new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe for more content. Give this video a thumbs up and we'll see you next time. Bye.